Thanks for the loan of the quarter. Wow! Now that's really nice, see?
Oh, it's beautiful. But there is no way I can see spending over $200,000 for something you wear around your neck. You know how many hungry people there could be?
Let's go to lunch. Yo, taxi!
Who the hell is that?
Monty Brewster, the richest guy in the world, and I work for him.
Oh, where did he go?
How would you like to be my personal driver for the next 30 days at $5,000 a week?
You want to hire a piece of shit cop for $5,000 a week?
Cash!
What a country. America, I love it.
Mr.